already could tell what we're going to be doing today. We're going to get rid of that nasty, crusty radio we have in the BRZ that is stock and the screen is broken. We're finally upgrading to a radio with actual Apple CarPlay because the BRZ doesn't have Apple CarPlay. It has Bluetooth obviously, but no Apple CarPlay. This has Apple CarPlay and we're gonna use the heck out of it. And also you could run YouTube, Netflix, Google, anything you want because it is basically an Android tablet for your car. But today we're doing something different. I'm not installing it, my brother is.
Look at this dude, look at this dude. Oh man, I had to get my man off 2K, freaking doing nothing, missing school today. But you gonna learn today how to install some car parts, boy. Off first rip, bro, this is amazing. It is huge. Like, look at that. Like, this is my hand. It is a huge screen with like the OEM bezel, which is amazing. And then it has everything you need. See, like literally everything. I mean, I don't know what this is, but we're gonna figure that out soon because we're putting this in today. This is the OEM screen that comes in your car if you have a BRZ or FRS. I mean, it might be different obviously on your model, but this is the Subaru BRZ version, right? See the OEM bezel? Amazing. Others don't come with this, so you'll have like a huge just like gaping hole if you didn't have this bezel. And on top of that, the screen right here on the right side, like the actual touch part of the screen, is non-working and it's like literally completely broken. Like I can't touch anywhere from like half of the screen to the right. All right, so you guys want to see the size comparison? Jeez, like look at that. Oh my lord. First things first, what we want to do is literally take this bezel off. So Jaden, grab that little like orange tool. Yeah, now what you're gonna do is literally just pry the four corners there. Yeah. All right, so the bezel is out. You see these little connectors right here? All right, you're gonna need them, so don't throw them away because they're gonna go right on these tabs right here on the new unit, so don't throw them out. Now that everything's out, all you want to do is literally take these wires off right here from the back. They should just like pull out easily. See the like, little push tabs. Before we do that, we're going to take the new unit and actually connect all the wires onto the new unit first and then connect everything inside here. Remember, you still have a microphone that you got to route and the antenna and like the little GPS signal as well. And if you have a factory backup camera, I think everything is included for you could just literally like plug and play. But this car doesn't have a factory backup camera. We will add one later on, just not now. If you don't know where they go, some of them have pictures, like a little diagram, and shows you where to go. But the other ones you can literally just count the pins and try to put them in. But the ones in the diagram, like this one right here, see how it has 2 extra pins on the sides? This one, this black one. And then on the right side, it has the same thing. It doesn't fit. Like you wouldn't think this would goes here, but apparently compared to the picture, that's where it goes. So we're gonna test everything before we actually put it in. Factory one is out. Most of these things are already connected, but we gotta connect these and then figure out some of the ones that we couldn't figure out here and see if they go on there. While we hassle with the wiring, I found the mic, so I'm gonna connect the mic and I'm actually gonna put it in the factory spot up here if I can. If not, I'll put it somewhere over here on this A pillar. I know this looks like a mess, but this is what we got so far. So antenna goes right there, or the GPS, sorry. That's the GPS spot. It even says it, it's marked. Then you got the 4G antennas right here, goes into the car over there. And then all these wires, they fit in their corresponding holes. So it shouldn't be that hard. Just remember, if you can't find where they go, just put the pins in and count them. But this one, I have no idea where that one goes or if that one's even needed. And then it has, like, if you have aftermarket music and all that stuff, it has all the stuff for you, like the RCA cables and everything. See, you got everything, but we don't, so we're not going to use those now, but they're still going to be plugged in. And then all we got to do now is take these and plug it into the actual factory wiring harness of the car, which is right there. This little orange little dongle thing is for your factory antenna. See, plug that in if you want to use your factory antenna, which I'm pretty sure you do. So plug that in. And then our mic is connected right here. It's still not routed, but we'll be routing that. And on top of that, this cord right here is our dual USBs that it comes with, and they are connected right in there. But we routed them through the car right in there and straight into the glove box. All you gotta do is open the glove box and use your Apple CarPlay if you want to use it wired, or you could charge. So now you just gotta plug in the main ones. Yep, make sure it clicks. You guys want to keep your screen safe, put it like a nice towel on the shifter for it doesn't like mess anything up. Come on, bro. You got this, bro.
Bro, this doesn't work.
My man never played with Legos, bro.
This literally doesn't fit in anything.
All right, so everything's connected. We're just gonna quickly test it. Oh yeah, boys. Oh, AC's on, huh? Oh man, look at that. Let's see. Oh, it makes noises. All right, bro, we turn that off because that's gonna be annoying. Device, sound. Is it this one? Yeah, take that crap off, bro. Loud. Turn that on. That bass, yeah. And you can have an equalizer here and everything. Yeah, this is gonna be fun, boys.
Speed compress.
Home button, look at that. All right, where's the apps? Oh, right here. Bluetooth, Chrome. So you have to sign into your actual Google account to be able to use all this stuff because it uses the Google Play Store. So for right now, we're not gonna do that because you know I'm not gonna leak myself. But other than that, it's a success, boys. Volume up, volume down, home button, yeah, Navi, sheesh. No, that's gonna tell you where I live, never mind. So as you saw, everything works perfectly fine. Like literally it is outstanding. Everything is connected. It is not as confusing as I thought it was gonna be. It literally connects where it's supposed to connect, like all the actual places that it's supposed to connect, it connects. So it's not hard at all. The only thing is that now we just gotta bundle all these wires together and literally just shove it in there and then route the actual mic. Other than that, we're good to go, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of what it can do. Don't mind the fingerprints. That is literally like a little cover, but we'll take that off in a bit. But look how quick it starts up. Look, I'm gonna press the button. All right, that's the first accessory power, and then the on. Quick. Oh! Jesus, Taylor Swift, take it easy. But it's on, boys. It is on. Now we just got to wrap this black and we should be good. All right, real quick. This is how you set up Apple CarPlay. So click that home button if you're not already there. Then click right here, right? Go to your apps. CarLink 2.0. That's where it's at. You click on that and then it's going to connect, blah, 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 blah. Connects, see, verification approved. You're on. Hey. Alright, no more demonetized. That's it. Alright, so we have YouTube on. Let's see how quick it actually responds. Wow, a freaking ad. Alright. So, as you can tell, it works perfectly fine. Wow. Time to download Netflix. See? Everything works great. Alright, demonetization. Okay, there you go, bro. Literally everything works great. Like, look at all this. Look at this. And it's pretty quick. Like, you know, it's not bad. So the lights are off here, and the lights are off on the car. If the lights are on, wow, look at that. Sheesh.